na savasava na vanua tawa buto Vale tamada koya Oilei Noqu Daru na Vale There's a land that is fairer than day, and by faith we can see it afar. For the Father waits over the way to prepare us a dwelling place there. In the sweet by and by, we shall meet on that beautiful shore. In the sweet by and by, we shall meet on that beautiful shore.
Na Vale,